Because I'm along the coast, it was socked in still.
Yeah, we still have some fog along the coast too, so it's lasting a while longer for the coastal areas today compared to where we've been the past several days. So yeah, it is quite different today. Inland, we have a lot more sunshine, but these are mid and high level clouds. So we're still seeing some blue skies outside, but some additional cloud coverage. You can see though, it's already 86 degrees in Woodland Hills, but now we have a little more of an onshore push, and that will help those temperatures to start to fall today. A little more tomorrow. Tomorrow will still be nice. And then Thursday, we'll get those jackets back out, and then we'll just leave them on for kind of the foreseeable future. We're going to stay in a cooler pattern. So if you like the warmer weather, really take advantage of today and tomorrow. We have low pressure off the coast, and that is going to start affecting us. Now, as I fast forward, this is the first inkling of us seeing rain on the model. It's Thursday afternoon. So the latest updates are that this has been now shifting later and later. This is over Santa Barbara County around 3:30 Thursday afternoon, making its way into and heading into Thursday night. And it looks like several hours of dumping rain over areas of Ventura County, portions of LA County, pretty heavy at times too. This is looking at about 9 p.m. if you just continue to watch that clock. We'll fast forward into the overnight hours. Widespread rain continues on, and still some pockets of some pretty heavy rainfall early on Friday morning at about 3 a.m. And then it will continue to kind of shift out of here, but we'll be left over with some spotty showers, I think, for the rest of the day on Friday. We'll have a better idea tomorrow for that on that short range model. Long range models kind of lining up with this later start too. As we look into tomorrow, we're not seeing a whole lot on our Wednesday as it inches closer. But by Thursday about 10 a.m. still looks to be right at the periphery of our region. So between late morning and early afternoon, I think we'll start to see it head into areas of Ventura County. But there is that small possibility it doesn't even come in until later in the afternoon. So it takes us through Thursday evening, and then we'll fast forward into Friday morning, and we start to see some breaks there, especially for some of the coastal areas as it continues to kind of move east. But then low pressure wobbling around into our Saturday, and it does look like we see some showers around the region on Saturday, possibly into Sunday too, and then heading into next week as well. Now, we'll have to see as it gets closer, is that going to just remain within the mountains and stay on the out? We're getting much cooler by Thursday. That is when we're still expecting the bulk of rain into Friday morning, and then we'll have some showers prior. Tomorrow's still going to be warm, and then that cooler weather comes in. 1 to 2 inches of rain for the lower elevations between Thursday and Friday, and then for the beach communities, we're going to see those cooler temperatures return as well. There's that 10 to 20% chance we'll still see some spotty showers into Saturday, but the heavier, more consistent rainfall is expected to be on Thursday for that several-hour period, and we'll have to see if we issue or see flood watches issued. Is drop down to 6,000 at the tail end of it. And then the desert communities too are getting down to 56 degrees on Friday. So very cool several days ahead, and we'll continue to track that rain and let you know the timing of it here in just a little bit. Mark, Colleen, I'll send it back to you.
What a change for sure. Okay, just Brianna Ruffalo.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, we are just a couple days away, and so we're noticing a little bit of the changes in terms of some cloud coverage. We still have some lower clouds and fog hanging around some of the beaches, and you can see it here into Long Beach. And elsewhere, if you're a little farther inland, we have some more mid and high level clouds, and so we'll continue to just see more cloud coverage as this approaches and gets closer. But you'll notice it's still warm today. So even with that cool down, we're still seeing a warm day today inland. It's already 84 in Hemet, 81 in Temecula, 87 degrees in Woodland Hills. And we still have blue skies out there, even with the mid and higher level clouds, Malibu. So the timing of the storm and what's happening with it is changing a little bit as we head into Wednesday. Tomorrow's the in-between day, a little cooler, mostly still mild. Our temperatures are going to be really nice still tomorrow. Thursday, it starts to get cool. We're back to sweater weather. This is looking at Thursday morning at about 8:30, and you still see rain north of our region, closer to San Luis Obispo County, moving into Santa Barbara. And so it doesn't look like it's hitting our region until we get into the afternoon. This is about 1 p.m. Looks like we could start seeing some sprinkles in some of these northern areas, and then by that afternoon and overnight into Friday morning at about 5 a.m., we continue to see some rain. Now, this model is interesting. It's showing a little bit more rain for Friday, and the latest update now is more rain into Saturday too. So as we roll through Friday, you see enough moisture out there continuing to bring showers. We will get breaks at times. This is looking at about 9 p.m. And then heading into Saturday at 6 a.m., it looks like we continue to possibly see some wet weather heading into our Saturday. So Saturday now looking to change, and this just happened with some of the most recent model runs as of the last hour hour or a few hours. By the time we head into Sunday, we could still see some spotty showers. So all of our rain totals could really be increasing if that Saturday model holds. By late Friday night, most areas, especially the lower elevations, looking between 1 to 2 inches of rain. However, there's going to be some outlier areas, and especially the mountains, that could see some higher totals. If we roll through Sunday right now with that latest model run on Saturday, it looks like totals are up quite a bit. So same goes. We're still expecting the bulk and a lot of it to be late Thursday into Friday morning. But now Saturday, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe